You bought a Trico force wiper blade. Now what? This video will show you how to properly install the Trico force wiper blade onto a 17mm side pin arm. Before installation, remove the plastic protector from the blade rubber. With this arm type, it is necessary to remove the pre-attached adapter on the wiper blade and replace it as follows with adapter BC. Identify the release tabs for the pre-attached adapter. Using your index fingernails, pull both release tabs toward you. The pre-attached adapter will tilt toward you and disengage from the blade. Discard it. Locate adapter BC and position it so that the release tabs face up. Tilt adapter BC back into the cavity in the blade until it clicks in place. Both release tabs must lock onto the blade before proceeding to the next step. Hold the blade at a 90-degree angle to the end of the wiper arm and push it all the way onto the arm pin. Rotate the blade until the tab on the top of the arm straddles the top of the blade. The wiper blade will lock onto the arm where indicated. Before use, be sure the wiper blade is locked onto the wiper arm. It's that easy. Now you're ready for the road ahead.